Diamante. Faces by Jennifer Wiest. Smile, happy, warm, welcoming, inspiring, soothing. Curve, lips, expression, emotion. Disturbing, deterring, depressing. Sad, unwelcome, frown. This is a Diamante poem. Diamante poems usually form a diamond shape. They are used to compare or contrast two nouns. They are made up of 7 lines, and they use specific parts of speech. They follow a pattern based on parts of speech. Now, in order to be able to write a Diamante, you must know the parts of speech, noun, adjective, and verb. Let's take a look at my example again. You can see that this starts with a noun. In the next line are 2 adjectives. In the next line are 3 verbs with ing. The next line has 4 more nouns. Then we have 3 ing verbs, 2 adjectives, and 1 noun. So you can see that this kind of goes in a pattern, and the pattern reverses. It's the same on both sides of this middle. Now the way this works is first you can choose 2 nouns that you want to compare or contrast. So a smile and a frown are 2 opposites that I'm going to use to contrast in this poem. So then I need to think of adjectives that describe the smile, happy and warm, and adjectives that describe the frown, sad and unwelcome. Then I need to think of 3 verb with ing, 3 ing words to explain smile. A smile, welcoming, inspiring, soothing. And 3 verbs with ing to describe the frown, disturbing, deterring, and depressing. In the middle, where we switch from one noun to the other, are 2 options. You can either come up with 4 nouns that go together with both nouns, or you could have 2 nouns that go together with smile and 2 nouns that go together with frown. So in this case, I chose 4 nouns that go with both words. So a curve of the lips. You make a smile by curving your lips up. You make a frown by curving your lips down. Both of these are facial expressions. Both of these can also show an emotion, happy or sad. So I've chosen 4 nouns that go together with both. So think about this as you're writing a Diamante. Here are the steps. First, think of 2 nouns that are antonyms or synonyms, something you want to compare or contrast. And you're going to write those nouns on line 1 and line 7. Then think of 2 adjectives to describe noun 1 and write them below on line 2. And you're going to do the same thing for noun 2 down here, and you're going to write them on line 6, 2 adjectives that describe this noun. On lines 3 and 5, you're going to write ing verbs to describe each noun. 3 ing verbs for this noun, and 3 ing verbs for this noun. And in step 4 in the middle, you have those 2 options. You can write 4 nouns that explain each one, that go with each of these, that go with both of them. Or you can write 2 nouns in the first spots that go with subject 1 and 2 nouns that go with subject 2. So please use this as a guide to help you write your Diamante poems. In the next activity, you're going to be able to look at some student examples of Diamante poems.